What is Power BI? Architecture and features explained. Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It allows users to connect to various data sources, transform and model data, and create interactive visualizations and reports. Here is an overview of the architecture and features of Power BI. Architecture. Data sources. Power BI can connect to a wide range of data sources, including databases, cloud services, Excel files, SharePoint lists, and many others. It supports both on-premises and cloud-based data sources. Data transformation and modeling. Power Query, a data transformation tool, enables users to extract, clean, and shape data from multiple sources. Power Query also allows for data transformation operations like merging, filtering, and pivoting. Power BI's data modeling capabilities include creating relationships between tables, defining calculations using DX, data analysis expressions, and creating hierarchies. Data storage. Power BI can store data in memory or use direct query mode to connect to on-premises or cloud-based data sources directly. Data visualization and reporting. Power BI offers a rich set of visualization options, including charts, graphs, maps, tables, and more. Users can create interactive reports and dashboards by dragging and dropping visual elements onto a canvas, applying filters, and defining drill-through actions. Data refresh and collaboration. Power BI provides options to schedule data refreshes from on-premises or cloud-based sources to keep reports and dashboards up to date. It also supports collaboration features such as sharing and publishing reports, setting up data access permissions, and enabling collaboration through Power BI workspaces. Features. Power Query. Power Query allows users to connect to various data sources, transform and shape data, and load it into Power BI for analysis and visualization. Data modeling. Power BI's data modeling capabilities enable users to create relationships between tables, define calculated columns and measures using DX, and build hierarchies for improved data organization. Visualizations and reports. Power BI provides a wide range of visualization options to represent data in meaningful ways. Users can create interactive reports and dashboards with drill-through capabilities and apply filters and slicers to focus on specific data subsets. Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a Windows application used to create, design, and publish reports and visualizations. It offers advanced capabilities for data modeling, query editing, and creating complex calculations. Power BI Service. Power BI Service is a cloud-based platform where reports and dashboards can be published, shared, and accessed by others. It also offers additional features like data sharing, collaboration, and scheduled data refresh. Power BI Mobile. Power BI mobile apps allow users to access their reports and dashboards on smartphones and tablets, providing a responsive and optimized viewing experience. Power BI Embedded. Power BI Embedded allows developers to integrate Power BI reports and dashboards into custom applications, enabling users to interact with data within their familiar environment. These are just some of the key aspects of Power BI's architecture and features. The tool continues to evolve with regular updates from Microsoft, expanding its capabilities and integration with other Microsoft products and services.